Climate change is a change in the statistical properties of the climate system that persists for several decades or longer, usually at least 30 years. These statistical properties include average, variability, and extremes. Climate change may be due to natural processes such as changes in the sun radiation, volcanoes, or internal variability in the climate system, or due to human influences such as changes in the composition of the atmosphere or land use. The year that was assigned to our team was the year 1904. In order to make the table, we have to put two columns, one for month and the other for temperature in Fahrenheit. Then we have to fill each column. The column that says months, we have to fill it with each month of the year since January till December. And then in the column that says temperature, we have to fill it with all the temperatures for each month. How you do the table for your equation.
After finishing the table, we use the data of it to make the scatter plot.
So here you can see that we put the points, putting the data of the table and changing the points of y, and this is how we made the diagram.
Then we went through a process in which we changed many times the formula to see which fit best in the scatter plot.
Here you can see the process to get the graph. You can see that each graph changes as a function is changing, and that is how we finally arrived at the one that fits good with the scatter plot that we get at first.
So, the final step in order to have our fully developed trigonometric function would be to find the stretch. The stretch is how long our trigonometric function would be in two periods. In the case of our function, it would be 0.163 pi. So this would mean that the values of the two periods of our function would be 12. This represents the 12 months of the year that we got to research. In the end, our function would be y is equal to minus 18.5 cosine of 0.163 pi x plus 63.2.